Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are gonna show you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number. For this one you have to open Google Chrome browser or any browser from your desktop or laptop and then open google.com. Here you have to search for Google Cloud Skills Boost and then you have to hit enter. Here you will see first site Google Cloud Skills Boost. You have to tap on it. And then you will land here. You have to tap on sign in and then tap on sign in with Google. You have to log in with any of your Gmail account. With this one Gmail account you can create unlimited Gmail accounts. Tap on continue and then you have to tap on I am not a robot and accept the terms and condition. Tap on I accept. Now you have to tap on explore. Scroll down. At left side you will see format. Tap on it and here you will see the option any format. You have to check lab and then it will automatically refresh. Now you have to scroll down and then here you will see a tour of Google Cloud. You have to tap on this one and then here you will see timer. You have to tap on start. It will automatically generate a Gmail account, username, password. You don't need any phone number or additional thing. Within a second your account will be created. Now we'll test this account whether it works or not. We'll open YouTube and then we'll tap on sign in. Now we'll copy this one, the same username, paste here and then tap on next. Now we'll go back and copy the password, paste the password here, tap on next and then here you will see you are successfully logged on. Welcome to your new account. You have to tap on I understand and now you are logged into YouTube. Here you can see the same account which we have created right now. So in the same way you can create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number. And you can use these accounts anywhere all across the Google products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.